If you're in your 40s and you're working a toxic 9 to 5 job, I need for you to side hustle your way out of your toxic 9 to 5 job. On this channel, I provide resources and courses on different side hustle that you can scale into a full-time income. In this video right here, I talk about how you should be on YouTube and how to open a YouTube channel. If you have not checked this out yet, check this video out. Go ahead and open a YouTube channel. I want to show you a side hustle that you can start that I think is one of the more simpler side hustle that you could do. It's possibly very fun because it's very fun for me. It's gonna take you having a membership to Leonardo AI. Hear me out, hear me out. They have a free version over there of Leonardo AI where they give you, I think, like 24 coins where you could generate image. This is the reason why I want you to go over there to Leonardo AI. I was on it yesterday and they rolled out a new feature. The feature is called Flow State. Listen to this bizarre thing that Leonardo is doing. And honey, when I tell you, I always see opportunities where other people don't see opportunities. I'm on this $10 subscription plan. And this new feature that they rolled out is called Flow State. And they say that they're giving us unlimited generating images without you using the coin that the $10 a month is paying for. When you go over to Midjourney and put your prompt in, it will give you up to 4 images off of one prompt. If you go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT for an image off of your prompt, you will get 1 prompt, possibly 2. Leonardo new Flow State, when you put a prompt in, you get unlimited generation. Let me say that again. When you put your prompt in, it just endless. I was on it yesterday and off of my 1 prompt, I was scrolling for 5 minutes looking at different variation of the image off of this 1 prompt. Baby, in today's video, I want to talk about how we can utilize this flow state that's unlimited output to scale it to a side hustle. So let's go to the computer. Type in Leonardo.ai, and once you hit that, the website looks like this. I think it's worth it for you guys to, even if you do it for 1 month, go get your subscription for 1 month and take advantage of this new feature that they just rolled out called Flow State. Let me show you what that is. If you want to sign up, which I highly encourage that you do it, if you're in the AI space and you want to scale a side hustle, it's worth it to even sign up for 1 month so you could take advantage of this Flow State that they just rolled out, because I think it's insane. Let me go over their pay plan here. So the premium plan, this is it right here. So there's a free option, which you get 150 fast token every day. This rolls over every day. So that is really cool. However, in this free account, when the image that you generate, it goes to the public. So it's not going to be hidden. But if you pay $10 per month, then you get to hide the image that you generate. So you get 8,500 fast token reset every month, and it rolls over. It rolls over up to 25,000. So say I get 85 every month and I don't use it, it just rolls over into the next month. So you get unlimited collection, unlimited real-time canvas, and this is the key part of it here. You can create in private generation. So meaning that everything you create, it can be in private mode. So consider signing up for this $10 per month, even if it's for 1 month, so you could take advantage of this flow state that they just rolled out. And it's insane. So when you hit image creation, this is the mode that they used to have. It's called classic mode. And then they have all these different presets that I have access to. Phoenix, anime, these are all the different presets that they have. This just rolled out called Flow State. Honey, brace yourself. Look at what they're doing right here. Here's the disclaimer. It's saying a gift to celebrate Flow State for a limited time. Paid users have virtually unlimited generations with Flow State. No token required. After the promotional period, Flow State will use 1 token per image generated. So they're not using any of the tokens that you have right now with the paid subscription. They're saying you're getting this for free. And these image that I'm generating, it's not going out to the public. Look at this. So we're going to put a simple prompt, a cute dog, generate. This dog, endless. I was on this yesterday. I was scrolling for 5 minutes and it keeps going. It doesn't stop. It's just giving me different variation off of one prompt. Now, I am not proficient in Leonardo. I am new to the AI generation space, but I know this is bizarre. This is insane. This is truly insane. Now, for someone who's always talking about side hustle and encouraging people, you need to get your side hustle going. You need to take advantage of this. And I'm going to tell you how you could take advantage of this. First of all, the amount of clip art that you could be creating for this here. If you know how to use Canva, baby, you need to get over here and get a lot of these. So off of one prompt. Now, I happen to love Midjourney. I'm over there struggling with Midjourney. I'm being very transparent and stuff. I'm over there struggling to find out how I can get Midjourney to do what I want it to do. Off this simple prompt. Look at this little doggy right here. They gave him 2 mouths. Oh, it's crazy mode. But all these generating tools does that. But isn't this bizarre? It's just giving me all these different variation off of this one simple prompt. This is crazy. This is so crazy. This is awesome. I really think this is awesome. Let me know in the comment if you think this is awesome too. I mean, I might not know a lot about image generation tools, but I know this has to be a big deal because in Midjourney, when you put in a prompt, you're getting 4. And I think you can put in different riff code and get up to 25, possibly more. I don't know. Write in the comment and let me know if you can get more than 25. It's still going. I'm still going. Look at this. It's still going. It's still giving. It's like the gift that's given. Merry Christmas to you. Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here is what I want you to do. This is what you could do. You can create TV wall art generating beautiful images from nature. You can open a YouTube account and create TV wall art. You can open an Etsy shop and sell these TV wall art that you're going to generate off of Leonardo AI. You can put it on your YouTube channel so people will just stream it from your YouTube channel. Now, I have to do some research on that to see if YouTube will give you watch time from you having a channel where they just stream silent content. I heard YouTube was scaling back on that. I don't know. Maybe they are, maybe they're not. But all I know, baby, right here. This is an opportunity. I want you to stretch your imagination. I want you to start using AI. Let's do something else, right? It's still going. It's still, the more I scroll, the more it generates. Oh, look at this, a glowing, oh my goodness. You could be sitting in front of this computer just, can you imagine if you have an idea in your head and you have a particular prompt and you want to see variation of it without hitting enter over and over? It just repetitively just do, this is so cool. It's really, really cool. Let me give you an idea of what I'm talking about here. I have a prompt here that I'm going to put in to generate TV wall art. So you want to change the ratio to 16:9. You want the 16:9 because that's the ratio for the television. Let's generate it and hopefully we get some beautiful thing that we can download so people can stream this on their television as beautiful TV wall art. So this is not giving me what it wants to give, but it's giving me this is a very complex eternal light trail of movement of colors in a night sky, reflect mystery, exploration, and limitless potential. That could be in a lot of things. So Leonardo is like, what is this? People running at night? Okay, it's gonna give me different, you see, it's not a simple prompt, but look how complex this prompt is, honey. So it's giving me a whole bunch of stuff. Now, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt, honey, so I could create some, wow, look at that, it's keep on giving. Let's go to chat. Hey chat, are you there?
I'm here. What's up?
I want you to help me to write a prompt. I'm creating TV wall art and I want a prompt surrounding nature, something beautiful about nature.
Sure. Let's create a stunning nature-themed prompt for your TV wall art. How about this? Imagine a serene landscape where a tranquil lake reflects the vibrant hues of a setting sun, surrounded by lush greenery and majestic mountains in the distance. Tall, ancient trees frame the scene, their leaves whispering in the gentle breeze. The artwork captures the essence of nature's tranquility and timeless beauty. What do you think?
I'm gonna go check it out. I'll let you know.
Sounds good. Let me know how it turns out.
All right, chat to you later.
Catch you later.
That's my best friend when it comes to side hustle, honey. So to copy her prompt, and we're going to put it over there in Leonardo, and let's see what Leonardo going to give us. Paste that in. Generate. Beauty didn't spell right. I hope you know that's beauty. Okay. Really nice. Okay, guys, so this is the side hustle I'm telling y'all about that you could do. Ooh, can you picture? Tell me you can't picture this on a TV screen. That's it. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God, honey. Honey. And the beautiful thing about this, look at this. Leonardo, he just keep on giving. He's giving. He's still populating. He's just, oh my God, this is stunning. Guys, so, okay, hear me out. You could even upscale this. You could upscale. He's giving me the ability to upscale it if you want to. But for TV wall art, you don't have to upscale the image. You can deliver it to people as is. I offer this to people on my Etsy shop, and I do not upscale the image because it's going to go on your Samsung TV. This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 I'm going to give you more. I'm going to give you more, honey. I'm going to give you more. Okay, so I'm taking a little further. Let's go deeper, right? So I offer bundles in my Etsy shop of TV wall art by theme. I have a Christmas theme. I have a fall theme. I'm going to have a Valentine's theme. Whatever the season, honey, I will have a theme for your TV wall art where you don't have that black screen in your house. That beautiful Samsung TV that you have, that 60 inch, that 50 inch, you know how you guys be balling out with television. When the TV is off, how beautiful is it to have a piece of artwork, a beautiful landscape, just so tranquil, whatever you're looking for. And the bundles that I offer, they're over 150 images. I have one bundle that have 120, 150. You could do the same thing. Stream this on your YouTube channel. On your YouTube channel, if you don't want to open an Etsy shop, let your channel be about TV wall art, where you give people the link and let them stream it, right? Different themes. The theme doesn't have to be landscape. It could be anything. How about a theme for a barbershop where you create images of handsome guys with different hairstyle, a high top, a low top hairstyle throughout the years. Oh, the opportunities are endless. Being in the AI space and creating images can be very fun. This is why I say that I think this can be a very fun thing for you to do, because you will be creating images that's pleasing to you. Because it's pleasing to you, someone else might find it very interesting. Really consider opening your YouTube channel, which I show you how to open your YouTube channel, and get your subscription to Leonardo AI, even if you only do it for 1 month. So we're going to download this. Let's go over to Canva. And then once you're over on Canva, you're going to hit create a design. Then you're going to hit upload a file. Then you're going to grab one of the image you just uploaded. You're going to say use in a new design, custom design, create a new design, and you get the right ratio for your TV wall art. I love this. Oh, I might put this in my Etsy shop. This is beautiful. I love it. Okay. And then there it is. Then you're going to add another page. Then you upload all the others that you download. You're going to sit here, honey, do a half an hour and just download all these beasts right here for free. These are so pretty. I like this. Let me know in a comment if you guys like this. Okay, so once you do this, right, you put them out like that, and then you're going to label it. You're going to call it your TV wall art. Once you label it, you're going to download it in JPEG. I download it in JPEG because you need JPEG in order for it to stream on the people's TV. Then you're going to hit download, and then you're going to choose JPEG format, best for sharing. You hit the JPEG, you download it. Once it's downloaded, how are you going to give this to the people? You give them a PDF with a link to a Google Drive so they have access to it, because it's a lot of files. I'm giving you like 120 files. And how do you create the PDF? So you're going to go to your Google account, and then you're going to hit Drive. You're going to hit New. Then you're going to hit new folder. You're going to name your folder TV wall art. Then you could say from Afro Queen Design, because this is what the people are going to see when they come to Google Drive. So that's the name of my Etsy shop. So you could put your little business name there. Then you hit create. You click on it, and then you are going to go back to new file upload. Your TV wall art right here. You upload that bad boy in there, buddy. Yes. See, it's uploaded, your TV wall art. Make sure you grab the PDF that I'm dropping in the description below so you can give to your customers on how they can download the file and how they can upload it onto their Samsung TV. It's very simple, but sometimes, believe it or not, some people don't know that they can stream this. So you have to tell people how to do it in case they don't know. It's very simple. It's an app that's already on their Samsung TV that they can stream it from their Google Drive straight into their television. So when their TV's off, it'll just stream. And I also want to share a lot of what I'm learning about all these AI tools, how to use Midjourney, how to use prompts, is from a community that I'm a part of called DCT. It's phenomenal. It's an excellent community that if you're interested in learning how to use AI, this community is fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. If you want to learn, I'll drop that link below as well. It's worth taking a look at. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Peace out.